Hello everyone, welcome to Always English channel. Today we're diving into the word of time expressions that revolve around the word day. These handy expressions will not only boost your fluency, but also give you the flexibility to talk about past, present, and future events with ease. We'll cover phrases like the other day, any day now, and all day among others. So grab your notebooks and let's get started on this linguistic adventure through the days. Number 1. The other day. This super useful phrase helps you talk about something that happened recently but not on a specific date. For example, you could say, I saw a cool movie the other day. Or, the other day I ran into my high school teacher. It's great for casual conversations when you're recalling recent events without needing to be exact about when they happened. Alright, number 2, any day now. You can use this phrase when you expect something to happen very soon, but you don't know the exact day. For example, if your friend is about to have a baby, you might say she is expecting her child. The baby is due any day now. Or if you're waiting for a package, you might say my order should arrive any day now. It's perfect for showing that something is about to happen. Okay, the next one is the very day. This phrase adds drama and emphasizes that something important happened on a specific day. For instance, he resigned the very day he was promoted. It shows how sudden and unexpected his decision was. Or, the very day we planned to go to the beach, it started raining. It highlights the significance or the surprise of the timing. Number 4, these days. This word helps you discuss current trends or situations that are ongoing. You might say, these days everyone is glued to their smartphones, to comment on a general trends. Or, these days I prefer staying home and reading, to talk about your current habits or lifestyle changes. Moving on to number 5, someday. This one's all about the future, things you hope to do or achieve eventually. For example, someday I'll travel to Mars if you're dreaming big. Or more realistically, someday I hope to own a house. It's perfect for expressing dreams and aspirations. Let's check out number 6, one day. This phrase can set up a story about the past or future. Past events, you can say, one day, when I was a kid, I got lost in a mall. And for future hopes, you can say, one day I will become a chef. It introduces a specific moment that was or will be significant. Number 7, all day. Use this when you want to say something took or will take the entire day, like we played video games all day, or I have meetings scheduled all day tomorrow. It shows that the day was fully occupied with one activity or many tasks. Now let's look at number 8, on that day. Use this when you want to refer back to a specific day already mentioned or understood from the context. It's a way to pinpoint a particular day when something important occurred. You could say, on that day, everything changed, or that day was the coldest of the year. It emphasizes the importance or impact of events on that specific day. Alright, the following day. This expression is similar to the next day and is used when you want to talk about the day right after another specific day already discussed. For example, we arrived late at night, and the following day we explored the city. Or, the meetings was tough, and the following day we had to start implementing changes. It's ideal for continuing a narrative from a previous point. Finally, the last one is the previous day. This phrase helps you discuss events from the day just before the specific day that's part of your story. It's the perfect way to provide background or context. For instance, the previous day had been very hectic. which is why I was so tired. Or she had won the award the previous day, so she was very happy at the breakfast. It connects past events directly to the ongoing discussion. Alright, that wraps up our journey through these fascinating day expressions. I hope you found this lesson helpful and that you now feel more confident using these phrases to talk about time in your everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to keep practicing. See you in our next lesson for more fun with language learning. Until then, take care and happy